The last thing in setting up Android application is to publish your Android application. To publish your Android application to the Google Play Store and allow it to play it by other user, what you're going to have to do is to export your application. To export your application, you're going to have to click on that application. For example, I want to export the alert dialog application, so I'm just going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on File menu, go to Export option, and then from the Android I'm going to select the Export Android application because we are actually exporting Android application. I'm going to click on Next, and as I've already selected the alert dialog, now it is appeared in here, but you can select and alternate and change it from Browse option. I'm going to click on Next, and then I'm going to have to create a Keystore. If I have an existing Keystore, I'm going to have to browse it. But I don't have an existing Keystore, so I'm going to have to create a new Keystore. So now what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to click on the Browse option, and I'm going to save it on the desktop with the name of Keystore key, and then I'm going to save it and give it a password, a simple password. I will give it ASD, but you can make it complex. Keystore password is too short, must be at least 6 characters. I'm going to add another 6 characters to it, and then that's it. And I'm going to click on Next. And here on I'm going to have to fill on all these options because these are very important for a key creation. So you're going to give it a name like alias. You can select whatever name you want. I'm going to give it a name of Android application, and then password would be ASD123 and ASD123, and then key certificate validity is required, so I'm going to give it 2 years, or you can give it 3 years. First to last name Kareem Bedar, organizational unit Caves Cutter, and that's it. Caves Cutter once again. City or locality none, state province none, and country code which you're gonna have to provide in it. So you can provide, or you can just give it none. So 25 year certificate validity is recommended. I'm gonna give it 25 years now. I'm gonna click on Next, and then I'm gonna create destination APK file in here. It is asking us that where your application should be stored, so I'm gonna browse it and want to store it on the desktop. So I'm gonna save it and click on Finish. So in a few minutes it will begin to create alertdialog.apk file. Now as you can see that it has been exported to the desktop with an alert dialog, and the name of this is actually an alert dialog, and it is an APK file. If I just right click on it and go to properties, then I'm going to find it out that it is actually an APK file. I'm actually opening it with BlueStack also, so I'm just going to click OK. And that's it. We have now an Android APK file, and now we are ready to upload it to the Android Google Play Store. To upload your app to the Android Google Play Store, and then all the world will be able to download your app, you're gonna have to get into this link like play.google.com/app/publish/sign up. After getting into this group, you're gonna have to create your own Gmail account. That is actually a Google account. Before signing in, before registering with them, and before uploading your application, you're going to have to actually create your own Google account, and I've already created my one. And then after doing this, you're going to have to agree with the terms and condition and continue to the payment option. And remember one thing, you're going to have to pay them $25. So after paying $25, you would be able to upload your application, and you will be now here entering your debit card or credit card information, your credentials, and you would be then able to upload your application to Android market.